Hey guys, it's me, Lakin. So before I teach you how to actually solve the cube, I'm going to teach you how to, or the pieces of the cube. So if you already know this, you can skip to this time right here. But if you don't, let me teach you. So these middle pieces, they are called center pieces. So these are the only pieces that will never move. They will always stay in the same place. And then these pieces right here, they have always two colors. The piece itself has two colors. See if you can tell. Look, that piece, it's one piece but has two colors. That's called an edge. They move around. Like, see, if I just move it around like that, then it used to be there, but now it's right there. And then these are corner pieces. Corner pieces are one piece, but they have three colors. Like this one's blue, white, red. So yeah, that's how to identify the different pieces on a cube.
Okay, the first step for solving your cube is make the daisy, which is all the white edges around the yellow center. So how we could do that is just moving all the white edge pieces around it. So that's really intuitive. There really is no way that you can do it like, I can't show you algorithms or anything because it's all going to be different, so there's no algorithms to do it. But really the goal is make this, and once you have that, just practice it a few times and you'll get it.
Alright, so it's me, Lakin, again. So the next step is to so I'm going to show you how to finish the daisy method. So what you do is see how this center piece, like how I taught you it's the center, is blue. So keep turning the cube until that's blue. So these are both blue and this is white. So then do the front move twice like this. Just like that. So then look, that part is matched up. So then you just do that all the way around. So turn the cube. So that's not matched up because that's green but that's red. So keep turning it. And not like that because that would be right but that's yellow. We're looking for the white one. So keep turning it until it's like that and then that's white. And then do the front move again. So turn it again and then this one, so it's not matched up, turn it to the right, or however many times you have to, and then go front, front, and then last time, front, front, until you have the cross done.
Okay, it's me, Sean. Now I have to show you how to get the corners solved in their correct spots. But before that, it's like part of the step, I need to show you how to get all of the white corners that have a white color on them up into the top layer. So all you have to do is, if there are any, like this one or this one, all you have to do is hold it just like this and turn the top layer to make sure that a corner that has no white above it. So this piece has white, this piece has no white. So after that, we're going to repeat these algorithms. R, U, R prime, U prime. And then the corner is out. Alright, and then we're going to go to our next corner, which is right here. And we're going to rotate the top layer, until we find a corner that has no white on it above it. And then we're going to do that algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. And there you have it. All the white corners on the top layer. Alright, so next I have to show you how to get them in their correct places. So for the easiest way to do it, I would look for the red center, green center, and white center. And hold the red facing you, the green on the right, and the white on the bottom. And then I'm going to turn the cube, the top layer, until a piece that has red, green, and white on it shows up right here. So I just keep turning. That doesn't have it, but this does. See? White, red, green. And we're just going to do that algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. And it may not solve it on the first time of doing that algorithm, But if you just repeat that algorithm over and over with it above it, it will solve it into its correct place like this. And then we're just going to rotate the cube just like this. Sorry, my dog is barking very loudly. We're going to rotate the cube, and then we're just going to turn the top layer. But in my case, it's already there. White, orange, green. It's already there. So we're just going to do the same algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. See, it's not solved yet, so we're just going to keep doing it. And there we have it, solved. Then we're going to go on to the next side, and we're going to look for it. It's already there, so we're going to do the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime, and there we have it. It's already solved, just in one turn. And then we're going to rotate it again. Just turn the top layer until we find it. And there it is. So we're going to keep doing the algorithm. And there you have it. The bottom layer solved.
All right, so the next step is to get the second layer. So how you already have the first, the white side solved and the first layer, I'm gonna show you how to get the second layer. So what you do is, see how this is the orange side, this is the green side. So what you do is look for the orange and green edge. So look around, there it is. So then move it so it's right over it like that, where this part matches up. So then holding it like this, where that just needs to go like that, where it's connected, do these moves. Put it to the side, bring this side up, bring this back, bring this down, and then rotate the whole cube, and then put this over here, and then bring this side up, and then pull it back over, and then bring it down. So then it's inserted. So then you just really have to do that all the way around, except last time it was on the right side. So if it's on the left side, hold the cube like this, and then do this. Then bring this up, bring it back over, put it down, and then turn the cube again, and then bring it back over, put this side up, put this side back over, and this point down. So then we have that whole part solved. So then this one's already solved. So then let's do it again. Then just like that. All right, so the last case for solving the second layer is if it's like this, where it's called a flipped edge, where this red side needs to be over here and this blue side needs to be over here. So what you'll do is this. So you'll pretend one of these yellow pieces needs to go there. So then put it right there, like I showed you, and then do the inserting algorithm that I showed you, like this. Like that. So then, yeah, that's not solved. But then this piece is out of there. So then you can do the actual algorithm. Until you have the entire second layer solved.
Alright, so there was one step that we did forget to film while Lakin was here, and I'm just going to show you now. One step is, or one case, is say I want to do the blue and red edge, and I look through the top layer, it's not there. Then it's probably in one of the other edge pieces. Basically what you want to do is you're going to do that algorithm, the algorithm that Lakin has just taught you to insert an edge, but you're going to do it with a random yellow piece. So I'll just choose this one. I'm going to pretend like this needs to go here, and then I'll do the algorithm. And then see, it's not solved, but this piece that we really needed is out and in its correct spot. So we're going to rotate it until it's in its right spot, matching up, see? So I can just go down. And then we're going to do the algorithm from this side. And there you go. Now you really have all of your second layer solved. Okay, now that you have your 2 layers solved, I like to show you how to solve the yellow cross on top. So all the edges up. The first case is where you have none of the edges up. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to do this algorithm first. And then you're going to spin the cube, the top, twice. And then you're going to do a different algorithm. It's just slightly different. It's just as easy. And there you have it, the cross on top, case 1. Okay, case number 2 is when you have 2 down and 2 up. What you have to do is hold the 2 that are up back here, just like this. You're going to do this algorithm. And there you have it, the cross on top. Okay, case number 3, in the last case, is when you have a bar, and then 2 across from each other, down. What you're going to want to do is hold the bar in the middle, like this, and do this algorithm. And there you have it, cross on top.
Alright, it's me, Lakin. So I'm going to show you how to finish off the yellow side. So what you do, for this part, turn the entire cube upside down so the white side's on the top. So what you do is, do you remember that algorithm we taught you at the very beginning where it goes R, U, R prime, U prime? Well, that's what we're going to be doing right now. So make sure, see how this corner is solved because it's up? Find one that's not solved and then hold it on your bottom right and then do those moves until this part's solved. If you understand, then you can go ahead and do it, but if you don't, then just watch. So do these moves. Prime. And yeah, you might be wondering, but Lakin, you're mixing up the cube. Don't worry, it will end up solved, trust me. Then go R, U, R prime, U prime, and then look, see, it's connected. So then move the bottom layer until this one needs to be solved too, and then do the moves again. R, U, R prime, U prime, and then do it again. R, U, R prime, U prime, until this yellow part's solved, and then do it again. Bring the bottom part over, and then just keep doing those moves. R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. And then, see, this part's fixed, and you have the yellow side solved. Alright, so the next step is to solve all of the corners in the right spot. So as you can see, like this corner's in the right spot, but these 3 aren't. So look for 2 that are in the right spot that are right next to each other. For us, there aren't any, but if there are 2, put them in front. And then if there aren't any, just put 1 in front. It doesn't really matter which one. And then if there's none, you'll have to do this algorithm twice. But if there's only 1, you'll have to do it once, and then the corners will be solved. So do this algorithm.
So basically what we're saying is if you have one corner that is solved in its correct spot and you can't have any others line up, or you can't have any line up that are right next to each other, so I can't have a green here or an orange here, and this is the only other one that matches up, or something different. But if only one can match up with nothing else right next to it, then you do this algorithm holding it to the right, this corner to the right. You do it twice, and then if it is the other case, where you have 2 that can match up like this, either the same color, then you're going to do the algorithm once, having them both face you. And if you do the algorithm once when you only have one solved, like I just showed you, that will bring you to this case And you just do the algorithm one more time.
R, B prime, R, F2, R prime, B, R, FF, R2. So then, look, two corners are solved, so then you just do it again. Until all of the corners are in the right spot and it's just the edges that need to be solved.
Okay, now for the last step of solving your cube. There are 3 cases and 3 algorithms that you have to learn. The first case is where you have 3 edges that need to swap. And you have one in the back that is completely solved. What you're going to do for this algorithm and if it doesn't solve it right away after doing that, you're just going to do it one more time. And there you go, solved. Okay, the next step is where you have opposite colors. So these 2 need to switch, and these 2. See, these are opposite, these are opposite, these are, and these are. And here's the algorithm. You can hold it from any angle and do this. And there you go. Okay, the final and hardest step is this one, where you need these 2 that need to swap and these 2 that need to swap. And you're gonna hold it like this. These 2 that need to swap like this and those in the back. And here's the algorithm. And there you have it. Your cube is finally solved.
Thank you so much for watching this video.
And if you had any questions, leave it in the comments down below.
Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye.
Bye!